Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you how to install a software-based license for XPression. So here I'm working on my computer and I've just installed the XPression Studio and I want to launch it. So when I go ahead and I click the application to launch it, you'll notice right away it's telling me that there's no valid XPression Studio Flex license found on this dongle because I don't have a dongle on my computer. So I'm going to click OK. And what I'm going to do is this. You were probably sent an email that has some information in it. So I'm going to go to my Windows Start menu, and I'm going to type in license. And you can see as I start to type in, I get the license application. I'm going to click open. Now, what happened here is the administrator for the XPression licensing system has probably created a license for me. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make sure, and again, going to that email, I've got the license here that I'm going to go ahead and copy. I'm going to move the email out of the way. And I'm going to come into the menu bar with the XPression license tool. I'm going to click on software licenses. And I'm going to choose add software license. And I'm going to paste in that information. And then when I do that, I'm going to click on check keys. And it will tell me that those keys are valid. I'm going to click OK. And this should automatically load in the information for the software that I've been provided. And you can see here that it tells me the purchase date, it tells me a maintenance date, how long I've paid for maintenance, but it'll also tell me how many days left I have until that license expires. And in my case, it's a temporary license. And again, this is not a trial license, this is a full license of XPression, but it's software based, which means it has a time stamp on it. In most cases, that license is going to go straight the way that it is. Some of you have what we call an RPM server, and if that's the case, you're going to click on License Server Configuration, and you're going to choose ROS Platform Manager, and somebody's going to give you the name of the server that you're pointing to. In this case, that's not what I'm working with. I'm staying with the Online Activation Server because this is just an evaluation license. So this is everything I need. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to shut down the license tool. I'm going to go ahead and launch XPression. And as you can see, it's going through the initialization process and it's starting up all of my software. So I should see this popping open here in just 1 second. And guess what? There's my XPression launching. So that's how to install an XPression software license